Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoom Desktop Client, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Zoom Desktop Client application. Locate the Sign In button on the main screen. Click on the Sign In button. You will see two options, Sign In with Google or Sign In with Facebook, and a field for email and password. If you have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you prefer to sign in using Google or Facebook, click on the respective button. Follow the prompts to authenticate through your selected platform. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the reset email and click the link provided. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Return to the Zoom Desktop Client after resetting your password. Enter your email and new password in the login fields. Click the Sign In button again. Now you should be logged into your Zoom account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main features of the Zoom Desktop Client. You're now ready to start or join meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.